Hey everybody, I just want to make a real quick video in case anyone needs a little bit of guidance on how to use this library here. It's quite easy, and I recently updated it to be connected with Google Drive, so all these links are linked to my Google Drive. They're all public, so you should have no problem viewing them as long as you're clicking on this link. And I was using Dropbox before, and I may still put a Dropbox option back in eventually, which if I do, you will see that at the top. But I went ahead and converted to Google Drive because it seemed to be a little bit more user-friendly for some people. So I went ahead and did that. Once you enter your password that you get in your confirmation email, you will see a page appear like this. Once you type that in, you'll see a page appear like this, and you will scroll down here and you will see these little toggle buttons, and you can click on each one to reveal the different links for the different templates or cut files or printables that are in each section here. We obviously have our giant flower template section here, we have our small flower template section here, and these are always changing and growing, so what they look like now may not be what they look like when you're listening to this video, because they're probably going to have things added to them. My holiday template is my biggest section right now. You'll find lots of great templates in there, and we've got party printables and anything else that's kind of an odd ball or odd and end item I put under other, or if it's seasonal like spring, summer, fall, or winter, you'll find it under there. Sometimes I like to do planner stickers. I usually do a calendar or two every year. Right now I only have 2 in there. And then just some other little bits of information for you to look over there. So that is how you use it, and you'll see, we'll use one of my really popular ones right now, my standing paper Christmas tree. You can just click on each one, and you'll see that it'll drop you right into Google Drive, and if the tutorial specified that it was a PDF or an SVG or both, you'll see the different formats written right here for what you're looking for, and you can just click on each one as necessary for what you need. Let's say I wanted to open this one, which is the star topper. You can always just click the download button right over here, and that would download it to your computer, and you would save it wherever you want. So that's how easy that can be, and you can just upload them to your to print out or to your cutting machine from your computer once you've downloaded and saved whatever you wanted. And like I said, these files are always evolving and changing, so always be sure to check back every month because there's always going to be at least a few more added. And I hope you enjoy all the freebies I have in here for you. If you're ever wanting to shop our templates, you can find that right here. And I sometimes put little different relative bits of information, you know, like if it's a library upgrade or my book, you might find that information in one of these categories here if you're searching for anything like that. So I hope that helps you, and I hope you enjoy all of the freebies here on Abbi Kirsten Collections.